Today, in the Accelerated Piano Adventures series, the Technique and Artistry book, we're moving on to Roman Celebration. This is your first piece that has wrist lifts as part of the piece, and that is our last technique secret in this beginning section of the book is wrist float offs. So without further ado, we're going to head to page 5 to look at wrist float offs. Here we are at the wrist float off page, page 5. It's right down here at the bottom. The very first thing they're going to tell you to do is to close the fall board or the keyboard lid, but I'm here to tell you that you can also leave it open if you like. All right, we're going to work with a little side view here for wrist float offs. We're going to let the wrist rise in slow motion until only the tip of the finger 3 is touching the surface of the keyboard or the closed keyboard cover. Now, it's important to note that my elbow is not up, my shoulder is not up. Those things are both relaxed. It is only my wrist that is lifting. We're isolating the wrist. Now, as we come back down, and they don't talk this through, but I think this is just as important, feel one fingertip at a time. Landing the thumb, side tip is the last thing to land. And then we get back to an even wrist, arm, hand position. All right, let's do this again. Second float off for right hand. Just the wrist, and then each fingertip slowly touches down. Notice the order can be different for different people. Next up, we're going to do left hand. Let left hand rest in any old position you like. Lift just from the wrist. Tip of finger 3 is touching only, and then slowly, one finger at a time, lands back down, up again. Each hand will feel a little different. Tune into that. Bring both hands up, slowly up, back down. There's a lot of mindfulness in piano. Technique is a place we really practice that, and it really pays off in our playing. All right, that's your warm-up each day, wrist float offs. We always want to do our writing before we play. So let's go through. I notice we're starting with right hand 3 on F. Make sure you've written in your first note. And then let's circle dynamics, forte, mezzo forte, and then back to forte. We have a lot of accents in this piece. So, this is actually going to be more like fortissimo, really, really loud when we're both forte and accented. Now, you may also want to circle all of these moments where they're like float off, float up, float off, move, and float off. Now down here, here's our first note for right hand 3 lines in. Not our first note for right hand, but a move for right hand. So 4 is going to F. And in addition to writing that F in, because it's a move, let's circle that 4 to really show ourselves it's a move. Now we're ready to find our hand position for Roman Celebration. My right hand is coming up to 3 on F. And then I want everyone else to have their own key and rest comfortably. Left hand is coming up 1 on C, 5 on F. Everyone else gets their own key. All right, we're going to take it from the top. Pedal down the entire time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Move 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Move 3, 4. 1, 2. 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. One, two, three, four.